Hey, welcome back my friends to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and what we have today is the Rainbird Xeri-Tube Cutter. This is part number PPC 200X. It's the Xeri Cutter by Rainbird, and it's used to more efficiently cut drip tubing and micro tubing. Let's take it out and take a look. And of course, obviously you can cut drip tubing with almost any cutter that's available on the market. You can even cut drip tubing with a box knife, a Leatherman, a machete, an axe. You could even cut it with your teeth if you really were desperate. But this particular tool by Rainbird does make it a little bit easier. And what you can see right off the bat there is there's two sizes. The larger opening is fit for 3/4 and 1/2 inch tubing. And then the smaller size is meant for that 1/4 inch micro tubing. On the back of the handle, there is a little latch that you can use to secure it closed, like that. But what I can tell you after using this tool pretty frequently is this kind of becomes a little bit annoying. What I've found is that just kind of opening it like this and closing it, this little swing clip tends to get in the way. So I would probably recommend removing it. If you're gonna be cutting a lot of drip or you've got some guys in the field that are gonna be using this all the time, I just personally see no use in that little clip at all. I'll probably just remove it. So let me flip the camera over here and we can go ahead and cut a piece of tubing. So I've got a piece of Netafim Techline CV. This could be a piece of Rainbird tubing or Hunter tubing, any type of drip tubing. And then it is kind of, I don't know what's the word, it does have a fairly decent amount of grip, so you can kind of use these openings to pull it apart with your finger. It's not spring loaded, so it is free moving and you do have to open it with a finger, but I found that you can kind of grip onto it like that and open and close it. So again, I don't really need to show you how to cut something. It's pretty darn self-explanatory. If you want me to show you how to cut a finger, just drop a comment here on the video and we'll do that on another video coming up. So I'm just kidding, of course. You wouldn't want your kids to see me cutting my finger now, would you? You put the tubing in and you just simply cut down like that. Sometimes with any cutter, a slight twist helps. So when you first squeeze down, you just do a little twist back and forth. And that is one way to sort of soften it, almost like you're just cutting a piece of butter. It does cut like butter. It's very easy to use. And because this opening here is meant for 3/4 to 1/2 inch, it is easier to cut than if you were using a traditional pipe cutter with a larger opening. Again, let me just give you the full look here. You can replace the blades. These are sold separately, and there's really just not a whole lot to it. It's a very simple tool. And like I said, I would just remove this from here altogether. I'm gonna see actually if we can do that. I have a pen. Let's see if we can just pop this out. There we go. Okay, that took 10 seconds. Now that's out of there, won't get in the way, and that's all there is to it. That is the Rainbird Xeri Cutter. I would definitely pick up a few if you've got a team of folks in the field, or if you plan to be doing a lot of drip cutting, repairing, splicing, etc. Again, here, let's go ahead and cut a piece up close. Just put a little bit of pressure and a slight twist, pops right open. So there you have it, the Rainbird Xeri Cutter tool. And if we can help you with any of your drip irrigation questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're available by phone, chat, and email. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll talk to you then.